Welcome to Document Design and Media Presentation. I hope you're as excited about this class as I am. In this short introductory video, I want to take a moment to introduce myself, to provide you with an overview of the NYU Classes space we'll be working through, to discuss some of the technology needs for succeeding in the course, and to briefly talk about how we can troubleshoot together. I'm Nicole DeVoss. I'm a professor at Michigan State University. I also run a creativity and innovation incubator for the College of Arts and Letters at MSU, and I serve as the director of our digital humanities programs. At MSU, I teach a range of undergraduate professional writing courses and graduate seminars in rhetoric and writing. And I fundamentally fully believe that if you're teaching document design and media presentation, it's important to talk the talk and walk the walk. So I want to share with you some of the work that I've recently created. These are the last 4 books I've published. The first 2 here are primarily textual. Understanding and Composing Multimodal Projects is a textbook, and required a lot of examples and formatting. The most recent book, Digital Writing Assessment and Evaluation, was a Born Digital web-published book. A snapshot of some of the articles I've recently written. A lot of my work over the past couple of years is focused on intellectual property and copyright issues, which we're going to get a little bit of a chance to talk about in this class. This is a short online piece I designed and published on issues of typography. At MSU, I do a good deal of video and multimedia production. This is just one screen from a 6-minute video that aired at our freshman convocation this year on the Breslin Center Jumbotron to an audience of about 9,000 people. I take document design seriously and try to make the memos, letters, reports I craft as well designed and user-friendly as possible. Same for the syllabi I create and slideshow presentations I deliver in classes and at workshops and conferences. I design a range of print and digital material. The design on the left was a reception invite. The other examples are from a range of slideshows, booklets, and other documents. It's likely that you used Epsilon for classes last semester. This semester we'll be using NYU Classes. You can access NYU Classes from nyu.edu. Select NYU Home Login, and go ahead and log in. Once you've logged on, select the Academics tab from the launch page. Select NYU Classes, and you should be taken to your NYU Classes launch page. One of the tabs you should see is Doc Design and Media Presentation. That's our class. I'm going to turn on Student View so I see the site as you guys will. There are 4 important areas of the class linked from the left side of the screen. First, you can access the course syllabus under the syllabus link, and I encourage you to review this document carefully as it describes the course and explains all of the work that we're going to do for the semester, along with describing how you'll be graded. Second, you'll see a link to a lessons area. This is where all of our lesson or weekly overviews are saved, along with all of our readings, our videos, assignments, and more. The lessons area is perhaps the most important area of the class. Third is the forums link. Part of the activities and assignments for class will be to contribute to forum prompts that I'll post, and we'll hopefully have some really lively discussions in there. And fourth, you'll see an assignments link. You'll upload all of your work in this area. If you ever have any troubles with our NYU Classes site, I've created a general forum where you can post questions or troubles. I'm also always happy to try to answer questions about the course and course content. Know, though, that if you're having troubles accessing NYU Classes or accessing our course content, you might also try the NYU Tech Helpline. For class, you're going to need, obviously, a high-speed internet connection and the ability to watch video content and listen to audio. If you made it this far, you're probably all set. We're going to do most of our work in Microsoft Office, especially Word and PowerPoint, and online tools like SplashUp and Prezi. I'll mention and talk a bit about industry standard specific tools like Adobe Photoshop and Adobe InDesign, but these tools are pretty expensive, and you shouldn't have to buy them to successfully complete the course if you don't already have them. If we do use tools like Photoshop or InDesign, I'm going to suggest you wait until that particular lesson and download the tryout version of the software, which will last for 30 days and allow you to get familiar with the software if you're not already familiar with it. Then, if you find it really useful, you might decide to purchase a copy for yourself. As I mentioned earlier, there's a general forum for questions, concerns, and ideas you want to share about class. We'll do a lot of communicating through other forums where I'm going to post prompts and questions and examples for us to consider. Please feel free to start your own forum thread if there's a particular topic that you want to engage others in discussion about. And don't be shy about contacting me if you have any questions or concerns about class. The best email to reach me at is my Michigan State University address, devossda@msu.edu. You can also call me at my direct line if you have an urgent question. That number is 517-432-2581. So let's get started. First, take a look at the syllabus. Then, when you're ready, head into the lessons area and head into lesson 1.